I'm about to do a little rap for you guys to my boy Ramon's channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's do this.
Hey guys, it's your boy Roman, and this week I will be doing something special for you guys. So in this moment of quarantine, in this moment of lockdown, we don't have much to do but stay home. So this week your boy will be bringing some entertainment. Welcome to Quarantine Got Talent.
Hello guys, my name is Vitor. I'm from Brazil and I will play a Brazilian song. Hoje cedo eu chorei, acordei com você na cabeça. Não pressa pra que eu te esqueça, pois todo mundo me lembra você. Hoje cedo tocou a canção que você mais gostava. Parece que você estava comigo e por isso eu liguei pra você. Eu tentei, eu lutei, fiz o possível, mas viver sem você é impossível. Mas o que fazer se só dá você na minha vida? Mas o que fazer se só dá você na minha vida? Thank you.
Hey yo, what's good guys? My name's Gio Theus, coming straight out of Queens, New York. I'm about to do a little rap for you guys to my boy Ramon's channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's do this. I crave success, I may upset some dudes who claim unset then take no steps to prove that they up next. I'm so perplexed, confused, they know no better, so why not let them diffuse? I make my moves and show no signs I lose. You little boys couldn't walk for a bit in my shoes. I'm cynical, you little niggas should give me some room. I'm Kim Jong-un, my rockets could give you a boost. Up next, expect upsets like your stomach gets. Even when I'm stressed, I ain't gotta pop a Percocet. Say it with your chest, put some heart into what you rep. Ball till you fall, let me see how it ends. With that said, just keep up and rap till you out of breath. Auto-tune's cool, but without it you got nothing left. We in the shade room, slim chance that you make it through. I don't Twitter feud, eating gossip like it's finger food. I'm the living proof, see the miracles my lyrics do. Diamonds on your neck, but my spirit got a swimming pool. Anywho, I'm rid of you. Snakes always slither through a maze. The game would allow us to be a zoo. Peace.
Te crees señor de todo territorio, la tierra solo quieres poseer, mas toda roca, planta o criatura viva está, tiene alma, es un ser. Tú crees que igual a ti es todo el mundo y hablas como un gran conocedor, mas mira las pisadas de un extraño y mil sorpresas hallarás alrededor. No escuchaste aullar los lobos a la luna azul, o has visto a un lince sonreír, o unirte a la voz de las montañas y colores en el viento descubrir, y colores en el viento descubrir.
My name is Luis Chirinos, and the song that I'm going to sing is called Eres Dios, You Are God. It's not an original song. It's not my song. It's from the Catinas. Okay, and it says like this. cosas de la vida que ha estado en mí. Por tu rectitud respiraré. Tu gracia y perdón me fortalecen, Dios. Si mis cambios hay, tú eres fiel. Eres Dios, eres mi protector. Si no puedo continuar, siempre me levantarás. Eres Dios, eres mi protector. Eres mi razón de ser, eres Dios, mi ayudador, mi salvador. Mi anhelo es hacer tu voluntad, y todo lo que soy y lo que poseo te pertenece a ti, tú eres Dios. Por eso canto, eres Dios, eres Dios, eres mi protector. Si no puedo continuar, siempre me levantarás. Eres Dios, tú eres Dios, el cielo es tu voz. Eres mi razón de ser, eres Dios. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Devon, I'm from Jamaica, and today I'll be doing a song by John Legend, Ordinary People, and I hope you like it. Girl, I'm in love with you, this ain't the honeymoon, we've passed the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love, at times we get sick of love, it seems like we argue every day. I know I've misbehaved and you've made your mistakes, and we both still got room left to grow. And though love sometimes hurts, I still put you first. We'll make this thing work, but I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people, and we don't know which way to go. 'Cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow, take it slow. Oh, oh, oh.
Here again, guys, that is it for the performances. In my opinion, they were simply spectacular. They were great, they were amazing, they were awesome. So if you guys enjoyed them as much as I did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to the performers as well as to me. Thank you so much. And if you have a favorite pick, please leave them in the comments below. That would be greatly appreciated. Maybe we could see who actually won. That would be pretty cool. Alright, so this was just for you guys. It was just a way to have you guys enjoy the quarantine moment, the moment of lockdown, to find some entertainment here. And if you guys have any suggestions, anything you'd like to see for the oncoming weeks and so forth, again, please leave them in the comments below. And if you'd like to hear your boy perform or drop the latest line, rap, sing, DJ, whatever you think you want, please leave them in the comments below and I'll try and respond. I will respond to every single one of them. And last but not least, don't forget to share this video. Tell your friends about it, your family about it, your enemies about it, your unborn child about it. Tell everyone about it. With that said, see you guys in a few. Ciao, ciao.